Hello, friends. Welcome back. I'm happy to have you here. We have some fun stories to read this month, and I think it's going to be so fun. So, first, I want to read a story called 10 Apples Up on Top. Now, I wonder if you can guess what we might be learning about today. Any ideas? Apples. If you guessed it, good job. If I didn't give you enough time, I'm sorry. I got too excited to share. We are going to be learning about apples today. So let's get into it. 10 Apples Up on Top, and it is written by Dr. Seuss and illustrated by Ray Mickey. Now, if you remember, written by means they wrote the words in the book, and illustrated, it's kind of a big word. Illustrated means they drew the pictures. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. 2, 3, 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Pretty tricky. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I think it'd be pretty hard to balance apples on my head. I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we're as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. If you count, there's 7 apples up on their head. And now, see here, 8. 8 on top. 8 apples up, not one will drop. Whew, they're getting pretty tricky. How many apples do you think they can fit on their head? Let's find out. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. He's getting pretty tricky. He can do lots of stuff with apples on his head. I can't even put 1. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. They are some pretty tricky animals to be able to balance not only 1 apple on their head, but 10. That's pretty cool. Okay, I want to show you real fast. This is the cycle of an apple. So to get an apple, you first have to get some seeds, and you plant the seeds, and then they grow into like some blossoms, buds, and then the buds will blossom into flowers, which grow on a tree, and these flowers turn into apples, and you pick them off the tree, and you get your apple. And then you start all over. You get the seeds from the apple, they turn into buds, then they blossom into apples on a tree, and you pick them and get an apple. So it's pretty cool. I'll show it again. How it just keeps going and going, and just a circle of this, and it's called a cycle, the cycle of an apple. But I hope you have a fun day learning about apples, and with all your activities you get to do today. Have a great day, and hopefully you stay warm. It's getting a little cold outside.